Yo, 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 what's good, Poke fam? We back again, once again, on the Poke Dares channel with Pack a Day, every day, day number 398. And this is our last pack in our Prismatic Booster Bundle. Let's see if we pull something good. Hopefully we do on this Taco Tuesday, y'all. What's goody, what's good? What's up with the fam? Man, I ain't seen one on camera in a minute. I said let's switch it up. Let's get on camera. Let's see how we do. Pack number 398, Prismatic Evolutions family. Let's see if we can pull something nice for the giveaway binder. And, hey, you might never know. SIR or something. Let's get it, family. Alrighty. Okay, let's go. Get it. Alrighty. You know how we rock. QR code for the family. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Gone. Let's get it. Alrighty. Let's go. Let's see if we get something nice. See if we get something nice, family. Come on. Let's get it. Can we do it? Ooh, look at that sweet cone. I like that. Come on. Can we get something goody? Come on. What we got? What we got? We got this little bag. Oh, we got a Jolteon. Come on, come on. What we got? What we got? Ah, nothing.
Nothing, nothing.
We didn't get nothing. I thought we had something, family. So we did get nothing in our last pack of Prismatic Evolutions. That's fine. It's all love. Hopefully go out and get some more packs today or tomorrow. If not, I'll go and grab another booster bundle of Prismatic because we're chasing all the EV Evolutions. You already know, so I can master set Prismatic Evolutions. So if I do pull the SIR, stuff like that, and I'm going to use it so we can complete the master set of Prismatic Evolutions and send them off to get them graded. But let's get to the giveaway binder. Like I said, out of my personal Lucario binder, I am giving away 8 binders, and the first 2 pages of the binders will be filled up from all the pulls we've been pulling from pack-a-days, unboxings, pack parties, and just different stuff like that that we've been filling up in our Lucario binder. So let's get to it, family. So you're gonna get your trainers, EXs. We're gonna get some Apexes, supporters, promo cards, all that good stuff, family. And for your binders, I'm filling up the first 2 pages, family. So it'll be like 1 and 2. So each binder come individual will have the first 2 pages of your binder filled up between any one of these cards that's in here. We have reverse hollows, EXs, full arch, V stars. We got some V maxes, I believe, in here. We got promo cards. We got some shinies. We have some rainbow borders, all that good stuff. So you can see right there. Check it out, check it out. And once the binder do get filled, my personal binder, we have 4 pages to fill up. Once the binder do get filled, on the weekend, whatever that weekend may be, we will be doing the giveaway, and we'll be spinning the spin wheel and stuff of that nature. So the giveaway will be on the weekend, so that give everybody a chance to be a participated when we do it live. Or if you can't do it live, y'all can go back and watch the recap. So we have full arts, all that. Check it out, check it out. Just like that. Check it out. Check out the binder. See it right there. Back that. Gonna go through it. Check it out, check it out. Right here, we're just going through the pages so y'all can see the update where we last left off and see where we at. We got promo cards, like I said, those promo cards. You can see the shiny sides of the borders. So yeah, take a look, take a look. Just like that right there. I said we got full arts, we got Pokeballs, alt arts, got trainers, supporters, leaf ball, psychic balls. You're about to see that in a second. Shinies, more promos, sword and shield. To all my sword and shield fans, check it out. Check it out. There you go right there. So you got the leaf ball right there. You got the psychic mirror right here. Check it out. Check it out. More sword and shield, reverse hollows, hollows. See right there. More promos. And this is where we last left off. We got 2 more spaces, which I'll fill up myself. And then, like I said, we have 4 more pages to go. 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and then 4. Watch this last page right here. And then boom, that's what we'll be doing the giveaway. So now let's get to the giveaway names. To all the contestants. So you see your name on the list. Congratulations so far to all the contestants right there. Try to do that a little bit slowly but surely. I still have slots left. We have 10 slots left. The first page is filled up. So if you don't see your name on the list, you got time still to be a participant of the giveaway. And to be a part of the giveaway, like you see, I got 10 slots left right here. Well, not that side, but just this side right here. But if you want to be part of the giveaway, all you got to do, if you're new to the family, hit that like, share, and subscribe. Hype up the video. Hit the like button as well so we can put the videos in the YouTube algorithm. And then in the comment section, place your name or your favorite Pokemon, and I'll add you to the list. And if you're already part of the family, all you gotta do is hit the like button, hype the video, put your name in the comment section, or put your favorite Pokemon in the comment section, and I'll add your name to the giveaway list. And that's how you be a part of the 8 binder giveaway. So alright family, you didn't get nothing today on $3.98, but $3.99. 2 more days until we get to 400 and plus more. We gonna pull something great. So you know our model family. Gotta collect them all. Gotta catch them all. Let's see what we can do on a good Wednesday, family. Y'all stay cool out there. Enjoy your summer. Man, and keep popping them packs. Let's get it, family. Deuces.